top brands who are leveraging ServiceNow ITOM. So 7-Eleven is the one brand which is really utilizing ServiceNow ITOM. By leveraging ServiceNow ITOM and ITSM, 7-Eleven Mexico achieved 100% uninterrupted operations across 1,800 stores, reduced audit preparation time by 80%, streamlined interdepartmental collaboration, enhancing operational efficiency and service management. Second example is Hexaware. By implementing ServiceNow ITOM and ITSM, Hexaware consolidated its IT operations, delivering zero disruption implementations, boosting automation and expanding its ServiceNow practice with a revenue of 12-fold in 6 years, driving operational efficiency and innovation across customer environments. Next is UNC Health. By leveraging ServiceNow's IT operations management, UNC Health integrated and streamlined its IT and HR systems, ensuring consistency and efficiency across its healthcare network. This approach enhanced workflows, enabled data-driven decisions, supported hospitals and providers statewide. So this is the kind of impact, ServiceNow ITOM had and is still having on top brands that exist in the world. From here, let's move to best practices to implement ServiceNow ITOM. So the first thing is defining clear objectives. Align implementation with business goals while addressing key pain points and improvements. Next point is involve key stakeholders. That is very important. If the key stakeholders are going to be very much aligned with the business objectives and how the implementation is taking place, it is going to be there for longer run and will reduce a lot of issues that might come in the future. Prioritize integration. So integrate seamlessly with existing systems while maintaining data integrity. This is very important. And I think after this, Vijay can also explain us that how ServiceNow ITOM really integrates with other systems and how that really happens. Next point is you have to plan for scalability. So design adaptable processes and use flexible features to support growth. That is very much important and needed. Next is use automation and AI. So automate tasks and leverage AI for efficiency and predictive insights. Again, we are constantly, reminding you to get as much involved and get AI also as much involved in your business operations as possible, because that is what the future is. Next is ensure security and compliance. Protect data and adhere to industry regulations and policies. So these are, some of the best practices that you can keep in mind when implementing ServiceNow ITOM into your business. So Vijay, please, give us an idea about how the integration really works in ServiceNow ITOM.
So if I talk about, integrations within ITOM, so ITOM do have out-of-the-box connectors with a lot of providers, be it, like AWS, Azure, and, Microsoft as well. So like Microsoft and Azure are same thing. So basically AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. So not only we are limited to that, we do have certain, connectors available from the third-party vendors itself that we could leverage, and we have the capability of integrating it ourselves as well. Using REST API and SOAP API, we can connect it with whatever the platform that we want to connect. It's again, same ServiceNow platform itself only, which is highly extensible and highly integratable with various other platforms. So it's the same platform and we could leverage it in different scenarios.
Right. Okay, completely understood that. Now, for example, the key stakeholders looking at us and the business owners looking at us, they have now somewhere understood, okay, maybe they should, give a try to ServiceNow ITOM. At least they should get on a consultation call. And now, where should they start from is a ServiceNow partner.
Yeah.
They should really start with them.